Hello everyone, we are Growbot. We are introducing the future of food production to every household so that anyone at any time can enjoy fresh, tasty, and sustainable food. I'm Marcelo Lejeune. I'm from the US, France, and Peru, and I do sales and strategy for the team.
I'm Bonnie from Shanghai, China. I'm in charge of branding and design.
I'm Dikko from Nigeria. I'm in charge of technology and operation.
Hi, my name is Yuvanshu Agarwal. I'm from New Jersey, and I'm in charge of technology and operations as well.
As an indoor gardener, I walked into this gardening store and I saw this beautiful bulbous plant. I wanted to take it home, expecting my plant to be similarly perfect, only for it to look like this after 2 weeks. Another indoor gardener went to the store and she saw this really cool basil plant. She bought it only for it to look like this after 2 weeks. So what's really happening?
Yeah, so obviously there's a few problems with indoor pocket plants, right? And one of the big problems is that people simply don't provide enough soil to their plants. They use small pots, and oftentimes they don't switch out the soil often enough. And furthermore, the majority of indoor gardeners don't provide fertilizer or food to their plants. And oftentimes, these indoor plants don't receive enough sunlight. And on top of that, many people simply don't know how much water to provide to their plants, so they either underwater or overwater.
So we're providing a no mess, no pest solution that requires little effort to maintain and is also space efficient. Our product will help you plant 5 times faster, ensuring that you have better quality tasting food.
So what we're providing is an indoor gardening system, right? And it's utilizing the concept of hydroponics. And hydroponics is the process of allowing plants to grow without the use of soil. There's 4 key ingredients. You have sunlight, you have water, you have nutrients, and you have oxygen. We're providing the sunlight using the grow light LEDs. The air and water pumps serve 2 main purposes. One, the air pump is simply providing oxygen to the roots of the plant, and the water pumps is there to circulate the nutrients in the water reservoir. We also have a funnel attached so that consumers can simply provide water and nutrients every 3 weeks. And on top of that, the water and TDS sensor is extremely important because it notifies consumers when they have to put back water and nutrients to resaturate the system.
After introducing our product, let's meet our 2 customers, Jay and Hannah. Jay is single, millennial, middle class. She lives in an apartment and enjoys cooking. She already has some plants, but struggles to take care of them. And for Hannah, Hannah is upper middle class, stay-at-home mom. She's an impulsive buyer. She likes her kitchen gadgets and cooks daily in her large kitchen.
So take a look at our market landscape now. So the gardening industry is actually the biggest it's ever been at $47.8 billion and growing. 90% of this new growth is actually millennials. And these are the same millennials who are moving more and more into urban environments. 20% of Americans currently live in apartments, and 82% of Americans live in cities. Indoor gardening is making a huge comeback currently. 30% of homes own houseplants. And if we connect that with now the hydroponics market, it's currently sitting at $8.1 billion in market size and growing 12% annually.
In this market, we identify Agarwal, a hydroponic company, as our main competitor, but we beat them in 4 different aspects. 2 things we made huge improvement on is the taste and reliability. For reliability, we implement sensors rather than time-based systems, which will give your plants die when there's a power outage. And for the taste, we'll provide nutrients tailored to the plants our users are trying to grow, rather than offering a generic solution for all plants.
Now let's talk sales and marketing. So for our primary sales channel, especially at launch, we're going to be selling through Amazon. This means we can make use of the Fulfillment by Amazon program, taking product distribution and storage completely out of the equation for us. As our brand grows, we're going to try and sell more and more through our own website and getting from stores. On the marketing aspect of things, we're really going to try and utilize Facebook and Amazon ads to their full potential. Facebook allows us to do A/B testing to find out more about our target customer, and Amazon sponsored ads help us identify the keywords that will convert. We hope to build a community passionate about our product through various subreddits and using YouTube influencers. Now, if we look at our financials, we're hoping to sell 1,500 units in our first year at a price of $150, with a profit margin of 32% after factoring in Amazon fees. This would give us $225,000 in our first year, and hopefully we're going to look to grow horizontally into other areas of hydroponics.
So for the first 3 months, we plan on conducting more user testing and iterating upon our first and second MVPs. And then after that, we plan on outsourcing because the months November and December are extremely important for sales. And by that point, we hope to launch our first product and get our first sales. So thank you so much, and we hope you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and help us grow Growbot. Thank you.